Welcome to the wonderful world of elementary particle physics. Specifically, protons and neutrons, components of all atomic nuclei, and quarks, the tiny building blocks of protons and neutrons themselves. When analyzing something small, you enlarge it. The smaller the particle, the bigger the enlargement tool. You use a magnifying glass to examine a coin. You use a microscope to look at bacteria, an electron microscope to watch a virus, and to observe quarks. The microscope we use is the LHC, the Large Hadron Collider at CERN in Switzerland and France, which is 27 kilometers in circumference and 100 meters underground. The focal point of the LHC microscope at CERN is the Atlas particle detector, a giant electronic camera that records what happens when we smash protons together at very high energy. We are trying to reproduce conditions in the early universe, a split second after the Big Bang, to understand how the universe developed. In my research, I study how quarks bind together. A proton is made of 3 quarks. Other common particles contain a quark and an antiquark. I focus on unusual combinations of quarks. In recent years, physicists have discovered new unusual groupings, 2 quarks and 2 antiquarks, a tetraquark, 4 quarks and 1 antiquark, a pentaquark. I predict which unusual combinations exist and what their properties are. My recent prediction of a new tetraquark's properties turned out to be very accurate when it was confirmed by experiments in the LHC. By studying such exotic combinations, we enhance our understanding of the strong nuclear force, which is responsible for 99.95% of the visible universe's mass. Where does such research lead us, you ask? We basic scientists are driven by curiosity. We don't know what we will discover, but hundreds of years of experience have taught us that basic science becomes extremely applied later on. It is the foundation of giant breakthroughs and modern inventions that have transformed our economies. Electricity, nuclear energy, medical imaging, navigation, agriculture innovation, weather prediction. It all stemmed from basic physics research. At Tel Aviv University, we carry out such basic research aimed at comprehending fundamental forces of nature.